Justin the all-knowing. I got another one of these calls about the battery pack acting funny. That's good right there. It is allowing me to open. That is not good. That's not good. Means the battery's going out. I had a sound earlier. That was making just clicking, so I went and got the stuff. So, again, Justin the All-Knowing, you are watching Maintenance Life, brought to you by Out of My Butt Maintenance. And talking of, you do it once, you get to do it again, because nobody else wants to do it. It's back on the table. Brought our usual tools, at least that's how I can do it. Well, one screw's already gone, that's nice. It's so much easier to take this off. Get a nice breeze going from the open stairwell door. Everything has a mind of its own nowadays. I am bracing the door so it does not swing open on me. Brace you there. Usual suspects of screws we have to take out. I will actually find out the name of this and place it in the thing so people will know how to do these ones. I gotta look up this brand. Now, this is not probably the way everybody does it. This is just the way I do it. Come on, you hunk of meat. Piece of garbage. Okay, we got that one out. We're back on this side. What is whipping? Other tape in here. I don't know why. I can see the edge of a blue piece. It looks like tape, like when I painted the door. Foil tape. Maybe they were trying to tape down the mechanism. So push in this plastic off. Billing the 8 other screws we get to take out. 2, 4 in here, and then 2 underneath those. Well, let's see. Now would be a good time for the drill, but notice where they're at. They are kind of in the lower section of this one. The ones where they kind of put upper. 387. It's on the wrong floor. It sounds like. Those off. They're supposed to be off the chart for working today. See what I'm working on. Can't use a head-mounted camera like I did before as much. As you can see, these screws are on the lower part. And now I don't understand what this is. That's what the tape is for. Probably find out eventually. Billing. Those screws are to work with. This angle. You get to see me work on these screws there. Again, we're not going to take